Hello everybody, the cold front is finally here. Can y'all see it? Yeah. The cold front is finally here, y'all. The cold front is finally here. I have a injury on my finger here. I burned it, and now I think I got a 2nd degree burn, which has most likely I have a 2nd degree burn, but I hooked on Google and I took care of it quickly. So yeah, yeah, the cold front is here. The stop sign and stuff. These winds are really stronger now. Cold front is finally here. I can tell it's getting, the temperature's changing now. I can tell the cold front is here. The temperature changed and it's a little bit more cooler out here. Instead of being warm, it's like it's getting, instead of it being warm, it's now getting a little bit more cooler outside. And then it's going to get cold tonight. So yeah, y'all, the cold front is here. Yeah, y'all, the cold front is here. The winds are up to 28 miles per hour. Listen to that, 28 miles per hour with a strong gust. "28 miles per hour with really strong winds." Woo! Y'all, the cold front. Cold front. Oh, shoot. Oh! Oh! Y'all, the cold front. Yo! Oh my gosh, I'm glad it's not raining right now. Oh my gosh, y'all, the cold front is coming in dry. The cold front is coming in dry. Wow! Y'all, look at the wind. Oh my goodness. Yo! This is incredible. This is the Arctic blast. The wind blowing hard. Oh! These winds are blowing hard. Wow, y'all, these winds are tough. These winds are tough. Not just strong, they're tough. Wow. Oh, wow. Cold front. Oh, cold front. Strong cold front, y'all. Really strong cold front. Wow. Whatever is going on there. The cold front is here.